Thank you for bringing lightness to something that felt so heavy. And I just so appreciate your enthusiasm. And like she said, you know, being able to look at your smile and your eyes, and I know how caring you are. And just to, yeah, bring some lightness so I can continue to move forward and take steps and bring what I have and be resourceful.
That's awesome. You still have time. Do you want to think? You want to say any thanks to the rest of the group, right? This is also
Well,
thanking the
thank you,
whole group.
family, and thank you, people, for being here, everyone. And I feel so much more encouraged and loved, and like, yeah, I can keep going forward, and I can sustain this. This I could sustain.
Yes.
So, yeah. And thank you to Brian for all the techno wizardry behind the scenes.
Yeah, Brian. And you did all that with a pink hat on. That's what I'm talking about. Right? I'm just saying, people go to diversity trains. When are you getting this kind of situation? Like, when are you getting this, right?